Hello guys, today we will learn how we can unlock our desktop or laptop with smartphone fingerprint sensor. At first, check your desktop or laptop is password protected. As you can see here, my desktop is password protected. So let's unlock the PC and start the process. At first, download this zip file from my video description. Double-click on the zip file, then drag and drop the installer or the setup file into your desktop. Then double-click on the setup file and install the software into your system. After successfully install the software, restart your system. After restart the system, a fingerprint unlock option is added into your lock screen, as you guys can see here. So let's go to our phone screen. Open Play Store and search for Remote Fingerprint Unlock. Install the app into your smartphone. After successfully installed the app into your smartphone, open the app and let's set up and configure for remote unlock with fingerprint. During the fingerprint access, my phone screen goes black because of the phone security, so when you see black screen in my phone, that means my phone is taking the fingerprint access. So let's begin. After authenticating with your fingerprint, click on the scan button. Then click on plus icon. Then click by scanning. It will show you your desktop or laptop name at the top of the screen. Select your system name and select the Wi-Fi scan option from the drop-down menu and click on Save. Now click on Accounts. Then click on three dots and click on Add Account and press OK. Here you need to add your system username and password which you use for login into your system. Type your system username and the password on the blank area. Then click on Save button. It will take your fingerprint authentication to save the account to your phone. After that, click on Continue button. As you can see here, the system username and password is now saved. Then go back. It will directly prompt you to authenticate with your fingerprint to unlock the system. As you can see here, after I authenticate with my fingerprint, it's unlocked my desktop. Let's do it one more time. Let's lock the system. On phone screen, just slide up to enable the prompt for fingerprint authentication and just verify with your fingerprint. It will instantly unlock your system. Let's do it one more time. First lock my system and now swipe up and authenticate with my fingerprint, and again it's unlocked my system. And guys, make sure your desktop or laptop is on the same network with your smartphone, otherwise remote unlock function will not work. So thanks for watching guys. Hope you guys are like the video. Please give a thumbs up if you liked it. For more useful videos and Windows tips and tricks, subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified.